In this scenario, we'll demonstrate the process of procure to pay in Business Central. The steps outlined in this scenario will be we'll create a purchase order, email the purchase order, receive and convert to an invoice, and then we'll pay the invoice to the vendor. So let's begin by creating a new purchase order. From the actions, or the quick actions, users can quickly select any number of specific tasks, such as creating a new purchase order. So we'll go ahead and select the purchase order. The form provides a wealth of information where the user can gain access about the vendor. Now, if I want to maximize the screen for data entry, I simply minimize the information pane. I'll select the vendor either by typing in or just using the drop-down menu. I'll select the top vendor for now. As the user selects the vendor name, Business Central instantly recognizes smartly there are items that you need to reorder based on current inventory levels. We'll go ahead and accept that smart tip. And you can see here, I've got a line item already started for me. I'll go ahead and add another line item. In this case here, again, I'm looking for these swivel chairs. I'll go ahead and enter in 5 of those. And now that purchase order has been created. Let's go ahead and email the purchase order next. So from the home page, I'll open up my existing purchase orders. And here you see I've got the one I just created. And I'll send that purchase order to the vendor. Now there's a preview of the email. It's based on the initial setup, along with the PDF of the purchase order. So here you can see I can open up that attachment. I'll go ahead and close it. It looks accurate. And now I'm ready to send that email over to the vendor. Next, we'll go ahead and receive. So the items have arrived in our warehouse, in our location, and after inspection, the person confirming receipt of the items will release. So I'll go ahead and open up the purchase order, and we'll go ahead and post that. I'll select receive. And now the status of the purchase order has changed from open to released. We'll go ahead and convert that to a purchase invoice. So again, I'll hit post, and now we'll invoice. I'll select OK. And now that purchase order has been posted. It's no longer available or shown in our open purchase orders. And then we'll go ahead and pay the invoice. So from the quick actions up at the top right, I'll select payments. I'll create the vendor payment. And now you'll notice that the invoice for the items that we just created is up the top of the list. It's our most recent transaction. I'll go ahead and select create a payment. I could print the check. I'll select print, and then I'll go ahead and print that off after I complete the review and select the print. And now I'm ready to post it. The payment has been processed. And to confirm payment, we can review the transactions that are associated to our vendors. I'll select vendor. And again, the information icon is enabled, so I can drill into the payments. And now you can see here, this is the most recent one, and it's been paid. We'll go ahead and close that out. Again, in this scenario, we talked about how you create the purchase order, email it, receive, and then eventually pay the invoice. Clearly, the benefits, again, show how we can increase productivity for end users and spend less time on data entry.